That's really bright. We got a whole bunch of lights here. First off, this is part number AH159332 and AH128327. Let's pop it open here as I go to chase that bubble wrap. Look at that, a beautiful light. So we have 6, there's 2 rows of these. Then we also have part number AT135485. As you see on there, it's a flood lamp that is gonna go up there and replace that. It looks like it's got a 2-prong plug in the back. So it should be pretty simple. You have 1, 2, 3 screw holes that are going to go up, so it's going to be as simple as unscrewing the old one, pulling it out, unplugging it, plugging this in, setting it in, screw it in, and lighting up the night. That looks nice and bright. I'm going to shut this off and work on those other ones now. Fire everything up in the darkness and see how things look at night. Wow. That's really bright. Yeah, I can see a long ways over there. That is impressive. So guys, links are in the description. If you want some top lights, they are in the description, the cab. They also got the smaller lights on the side, which look how bright that is right there.